on to advanced data reorganization and classification. Text classification. You can use ChatGPT to categorize text data into different classes or categories based on their content. Text classification is the task of assigning predefined categories or labels to text data based on its content. You could use text classification to categorize news articles into topics like sports, politics, technology, etc. We're going to take the example from our previous lesson and expand it into 5 different categories. Let's dive right into ChatGPT. We're going to use this example of 20 significant world events, and we're going to organize it into different categories. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to organize this list into the kind of event that it is. So as you can see, ChatGPT was able to organize our chart into the kind of event that it is. It added this type column over here and explains this is a war, scientific progress, etc., etc. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to categorize the data even further. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to organize this data by century, scale, impact, and duration. Great, so you can see that ChatGPT organized the data into the new categories that we asked for. You can also ask ChatGPT to organize data by significance or really any other category that you can think of. You can use this for food, nutrition, you can use this for sales, really any set of data that you have, you can put it into ChatGPT and ask it to organize however you want, which is more relevant for some businesses than others, but everybody at some point comes across some kind of data, and we always love to break things down. Let ChatGPT do that for you.